The role of government should be to create an environment where individuals can thrive and succeed. The supreme purpose of government is to protect the welfare and safety of its citizens. Economic depression cannot be cured by legislative action or executive pronouncement. Economic wounds must be healed by the action of the cells of the economic body, the producers and consumers themselves. Freedom is the open window through which pours the sunlight of the human spirit and human dignity. The moral and constitutional obligations of our representatives in Washington are to protect our liberty, not coddle the world. It is our moral duty to be optimistic about the future and work towards a better world. The ultimate goal of the human soul is to achieve personal fulfillment and contribute to the well-being of society. A nation is only as strong as its people, and its people are only as strong as their education. The greatest asset a nation has is the creativity and innovation of its people. The human spirit is indomitable and can overcome any challenge.